The plunger stem is threaded to the top of the piston stem. It has O-rings attached that seal it to the poppet. After years of use, the threads that secure it to the piston stem can fail, causing it to come free. Replacing the plunger stem is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll use a large screwdriver to pry the bumper away from the actuator. Next, I'll remove the top cover. Next, I'll remove the plunger stem. There's 2 O-rings I'll need to transfer from the old plunger stem to the new one. And now I'll just screw the plunger stem back in place. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the cap and the actuator bumper.